have started the lesson Stone Soup, and already we have completed 5 learning plans of the same. Fifth one was identifying plot elements. So let's start the sixth one, the formative assessment. Okay, so let's go. So aim of this particular lesson is you will be able to apply understanding of the concepts and skills covered in the block to complete the block assessment. We are going to take one block assessment. It's a simple test in which there will be a passage and there would be some questions. You will be supposed to answer those. Okay. And the resources for the same is block assessment, notebook and exceed content book. So let's start. What are the different elements of the plot of a story? What role does conflict play in a story? So let's begin. Okay, let's start the same. So the plot of a story is comprised of rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. Already we have seen the same in our second, third, and fourth learning plan. Correct? So there is no need to tell you once again what is rising action, what is called as climax, what is falling action, and resolution. The climax is the most exciting part of the story. We know that. Okay, when there is a climax, story becomes more interesting. The rising action is a series of events that leads to the climax. Rising action is nothing but things slowly start moving towards something interesting. That is climax. Okay. The falling action is a series of events that tells how the problem is solved. After climax, whatever problem is there, it is get solved step by step. So those steps are nothing but falling action. A plot is incomplete without a conflict. A plot is incomplete without a conflict. Okay. When there is a conflict, at that time only plot can be completed. A conflict is struggle between the main character and another force. We have seen the struggle. Okay, there are various types of struggles. So mostly the struggle is between the main character and another force. That force might be another character, nature, or various other things that already we have completed. Correct. Characters may act to overcome the challenges posed by another character, society, nature, or themselves. Character may act to overcome the challenges posed by another character, society, nature, or themselves. Correct? So, this is what these are the different elements of the plot of a story. And the role of the conflict in a story is that it's really very important, without which there won't be any successful or interesting story. So conflict is really very important part of the story. One more example is there. Here I'm going to read this passage for you. What you have to do at home, you have to just pause it. I'm going to show some questions also. You are supposed to write these questions and you are supposed to send them to me. This is an assessment lesson, that's why it is going to be a short lesson. Correct? So let's start. The kingdom of Sultanpur was ruled by a powerful and just king who wanted to keep his people happy. He had almost everything he wanted: money, respect, soldiers, and jewels, except for the one thing he wanted most. He didn't have a child. He had lost his wife and son in an accident. There was nobody to rule his kingdom after him. In order to find a just man like himself, just means a good man, a man with a discipline and principles, a just man like himself to be the next king. He disguised himself, okay, changed his appearance himself as a beggar. He became like a beggar, or he dressed like a beggar and went out of the palace at night. As he reached a marketplace, he accidentally fell into pit. He fell into pit when he went to the marketplace to just observe how the people are of his kingdom. He begged a few soldiers passing by to help him. When he fell down in the pit, he was requesting few of the people. Among them there were some soldiers, but they refused to help a beggar. Some traders passed by too, but they also refused to get their hands dirty by helping him. Finally, a 10-year-old boy saw the king struggling in the pit. He quickly got a rope and gathered a few passers-by to help him pull out the poor beggar. Later, the king found out that his rescuer was an orphan and led a lonely life. After that, king came to know about that boy. That boy is a lonely and living his life as an orphan. He was impressed with his good deed and took him back to the palace and declared him the next king of Sultanpur. I hope guys you must have understood this story. It's very easy story, but what you have to do, you have to answer these questions. Tick the climax of the story. Okay, just copy down these questions in your notebook and answer them and send it to me on WhatsApp. The king was the king has no child. The first option is. Second one, the king went out in search of a just man. Okay, just means a correct or morally or principally correct or good man. The king found the next king. So you have to just tick mark on the correct option. Second, write the events that make up the rising action and falling action of the plot. So you have to write about the rising action, the points which will come under the rising action category, and the points which will come under the falling action category of the plot. Okay, I hope you understood it very well. Okay, already we have seen these things in second, third and fourth learning plan. Third, what is the type of conflict in the story and why? That also you have to mention. Okay, so just copy down these questions and answer them in notebook and send it to me on WhatsApp. So here you have to choose only one correct option. Okay, and after that you have to write why. Okay, you have to give answer why. Last, homework. What you have to complete. Okay, you have to complete project work from Exceed content book. The project is on page number 21. You have to complete that project as well, and you have to send it along with these three questions. Okay, this king stories three questions as well as this project which is on page number 21 under the title project. Okay, you will get it there. So students, thank you so much for watching this video very clear, very carefully and patiently. Thank you so much all of you. Have a great day to you. Thanks a lot.